All right, on this cook, we're gonna make Hawaiian pizza. That's right. We got some dough here, made special, daily I mean, in the deli up here at Winco. And then we got some Canadian bacon, Maserati, pineapple chunks. Now on the pineapple chunks, I wanted to go a little less chunky, but I didn't feel like cutting them up. I got a little, I just don't want to do that. So we're gonna, here, I'll show them to you. They're over here draining right now. And we got our, that thing, flour, and our pizza sauce. We normally do not use pizza sauce, but for y'all, I'm using it. All right, let's go. Oh, and we're going in Z grills. Right now, the Z grills is sitting at 435 degrees. I'm showing you a picture right here. It's probably a little less than that right now. And it's going on a pizza stone on the Z grills. Grill it up, baby. Grill that pizza up. Cornmeal, that's what it's called. Yeah. That's what makes it slide. All right, we got some flour. We're gonna go with the flour right now. Don't tell Gigi. I'm listening to music, so sounds pretty good to me. I might be why I'm yelling. Actually, Gigi is inside. She's making a pizza, and I got her leftovers, so that's as big as we're going. That's a little bitty thing, but that's fine. I'm gonna spread that sauce around there. This is a garlic sauce. And what I'm gonna do, I'm putting some olive oil. I got Burger 500 US. I have her Evo sprayer. Yeah. And go with some cheese on there. Mozzarella. Now we're going with Canadian bacon. There you go. Now we go with the pineapple. I still should have cut them a little more, but I'm lazy. I'm putting them in between the Canadian bacon. There we go. All right, so here comes the hard part for Papa. Sliding it. It's up to 455 right now. We're gonna go on the Z grills. It doesn't want to move. That's where we come in with this. This is where the cornmeal comes in. Alright. The cornmeal is going to make it slide. Yeah, this baby doesn't want to slide. So what we're going to do, we got to be really careful with this. We're going to have to redo this pizza. Crap. Alright. You know, I'm learning, y'all. I really am. Alright, we're going to go with that. It's not sliding enough. I'm working on this to make a fantastic video for y'all. But right now, as y'all can see, I'm having problems, but you know, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing to slide onto the pizza. I'm going to put some cornmeal on that, and I'll flip you over there. Alright, we're at 454. Woo! This should only take 10 minutes or less. And what I may do, gosh darn it, that's hot. I may turn it. That sucker is freaking hot. Look at it sliding. Alright. all the heat, the flame is right there. Alright, let's see how this goes. 10 minutes? Alright, we're going to see about turning it a little bit. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that's nice and easy. I'm still trying to practice, but I think this cornmeal is what makes it able to spin. That's my baby. I need to make a shorts video with that, don't I? Alright, we're going to do another flip. Turn, not a flip. Actually, let's kind of look under there. Alright, we're coming off. Slide, baby. Look at that slide. Yeah. Alright, that looks beautiful. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you what the underneath looks like of the pie. Let's go with this one right here. I have no idea. Perfect. Ow! I'm dropping everything, y'all. Perfect. I am proud of myself on this one. There's one thing different I'd like to do, and I may make the video of it. I like to get the pineapple circles that are sliced and grill them. Get some grill marks on them, get them cooked a little bit, and then slice them up and get them put on here. Let's do a taste test. Alright, we're doing a taste test. This was a success for Papa Texas. Except for losing my earbud. Yeah. You gotta make I love pizza on the grill. I couldn't keep my temp up, but it took 12 minutes. I got up to 355, 455, and then once I opened it, it went down to like 350, 340, and it fluctuated in the 300s. I turned the pizza, I took that flat part off, so I had that flame just coming right up to that stone, and then I just turned it. That cornmeal is your friend for sliding a pizza. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Come back and see me. We got more cooks coming up and other things. It's Papa. See ya. I'm gonna go eat the rest of this. Move to you. Hit that bell.